I got a text from a friend disclosing a secret location of a slope that he stumbled upon.
God, there's people there sledding already? It's a pretty big hill.
With my car not working, I decided this would be a perfect adventure to get back into. Another chance to hike and snowboard. But with the warm weather we had a few days ago, oh my God! I just got to the campsite. Whew, this shit is bright as a... It's completely dark right now. That's what I always wanted to do. Overexposed? Rolling shutter? It's not rolling shutter. High exposure? Fuck. Got the camera outside right now. Getting the Subi. I've been going for about 2 minutes. I'm gonna stop it and see what it looks like. Oh, that joint look like ass. I can see all of the stars. All of the lights. Oh, some Kanye-ish. Good morning. The AC's, the heat is bumping right now. As you can see, I had a pretty decent sleep. Fuck. It's so damn cold. So there's no service down here at all. If I do hike up this little hill that they have, possibly I could get me some service because I haven't spoken to her since last night around like 8. We're gonna explore a little bit, see if I can get me some service and check out this old ski center. There's like poles going up. Oh shit, I see it. They got wheels on that motherfucker. Oh shit, that's dope. Alright, so here's my logic. There's satellites, right, that send signals for like cell phones and shit. If I go higher up, I'm closer to the satellite, I should be able to find service. And then I can text tell her I'm good, and then boom, we're good to go. Looks like somebody straight bombed this entire hill all the way down. Oh, wait a minute. Yo, we're not even all the way up and I'm getting a message. I would stop here, but chill. I'm trying to see what's happening. I'm awake, I feel good. I'm headed up the hill right now. Period. I hope you're sleeping well. Let me know when you wake up. When you wake up. Period. Send. She probably just got the worst voice to text message in the history of history. Looks like the lift ends right there, and this is apparently the top. I know there's another lift down there. It probably either stops right there, goes up all the way. So we continue. I'm not gonna lie, I'm a little scared because on the one backpacking trip that I went to, I heard that if like you encounter a bear or like cheetah, you gotta like make yourself big and scream as loud as you can to like show them that you're dominant or some shit. I don't know if that's true, but I'm screaming if I see anything or roaring on some Simba joint. That was it? Hello? Hello? Okay. It might have been the trail, or the way that's pointing down this way might have been the trail. Actually, I'm gonna take a break, see if my message went through. Alright, I'm gonna send another message just to let her know. Be so paranoid, I ain't gonna lie. Maybe a drone shot. Oh, else I was talking to myself in that video, but I figured I'd just send it anyway. Morning. Yeah, I didn't want to scare you. Yeah, for sure.
Getting warmer.
Yeah, for sure.
There's a yellow van going around.
Got you. Yeah, I saw that one. Yeah.
You have to go around.
It's slippery, yeah? Okay, thank you. Yeah, okay. The nice man and the kind Asian lady gave me a sense of ease as they continued their hike. I was in good company. So motherfuckers is just out here making their own trail. Shout out to Robert Frost again. Shout out to people out here just making their own trail, folks. Shout out to Julie? Shout out to Julie. Is it Julie, Queen of the Catskills? How did I have service halfway up the mountain, but now there's no service? Splenda is amazing. Imagine this whole thing covered in snow right now, and you just like yeet, the straight yeet. I think this is like the motto for this entire season. I'm just glad I know there's so many different places. Hike up and snowboard down. This is nuts. Oh, this is gorgeous. This is just très bien. This is gorgeous.
The dormant trees and grass that survived the cold temperatures was solely existing now, waiting for the day where the sun is warm enough to wake this forest again. I made my way back to the Forester, sad that there was no snow, but happy that I could still explore how beautiful this mountain was. Also checking my phone, the message finally went through. She knew I was okay, and vice versa.
This was fun. Tuxedo Ridge, the mountain where I first learned how to snowboard. They shut down a couple years ago, and they're not that far from here. Curious to see what that looks like.
Spent the last few moments here preparing breakfast and some hot cocoa after the mild hike. It was a morning well spent.